Hi there. Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the world of forex trading and discussing a crucial aspect that can greatly impact your trading journey: leverage. Let's get started. Segment 1. What is forex leverage? Alright, let's break it down. Forex leverage is like a superpower that enables you to control a larger position in the market with a fraction of the capital required. It's represented as a ratio, for instance, 1:50. This means for every dollar you have, you can control $50 in the market. This might sound exciting, but remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Segment 2. The importance of leverage. Why is leverage such a big deal? Well, it's a double-edged sword. Leverage is essential because it can magnify your potential profits. Let's say a trade moves in your favor. A leveraged position can give you more bang for your buck. However, and here's the catch, it also magnifies your losses. Even a small market movement can wipe out a significant portion of your capital. Segment 3. The impact on traders. Here's where things get interesting. Leverage affects traders differently based on their experience and risk tolerance. For newer traders, it's easy to get enticed by the idea of big gains, but they might end up over-leveraging and facing substantial losses. On the flip side, experienced traders leverage their experience to manage risk effectively. They incorporate leverage into their overall trading strategy and consider market conditions before diving in. Segment 4. Using leverage wisely. So, how can you use leverage wisely? First off, always remember that risk management is your best friend. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Determine your risk tolerance and set appropriate stop-loss levels. Keep a close eye on market trends and stay updated with global events that could impact currency values. And most importantly, educate yourself continuously. Knowledge is your most potent weapon. There you have it, traders. Leverage can be a game changer in your forex journey, but it's crucial to approach it with caution and careful consideration.